So I recorded this a few minutes ago, but I cut off the top of my head and it was super blurry, so hopefully this one's a little bit better. But today I'm going to be doing a snack crate unboxing. Even though I've already unboxed it, I'll redo it and share it with you guys. So the first thing is the flakes. It's a bacon flavored corn chip. And it's really good. I'm gonna eat this whole bag. No lie. Second thing are Skips. They're a tingly prawn cocktail. These are pretty good as well. And they really do melt in your mouth. It's really cool. The next thing are, I don't think I said this right in the last one either, Maltesers. I have no idea. But they're a lot like Whoppers. Tastes a little bit different, but they're still really good. My dog just licked my toe because she wants some. Okay. Next thing is a Crunchie. And it's got, let's see. Where did it go? There it is. It's a golden honeycomb center. And it's made by Cadbury. It's really weird looking in the middle. I don't know if you can see it or not, but pretty good. Okay. The next thing are Poppets. They're mint, chocolate covered mints, basically. And they taste a lot like the York peppermint patties, but they're a lot more minty than the York peppermint patties. Still really good though. Okay. Next thing is a Mars bar. It's basically just like a Milky Way. Really good. Okay. The next thing is a Tunic's caramel waffle biscuit. It reminds me kind of like a Nutter Butter, because it's got the waffle in the middle. Obviously it's a waffle biscuit, but it's obviously different than a Nutter Butter, but it's still pretty good. Okay. Next thing is a double decker. I kind of had to rip the wrapping off a little bit because it's like super sticky and I don't really know why. I don't know if you can see how sticky that is, but it's pretty gross. And it's on my finger. But it's pretty good, considering the fact that it's completely melted. But sometimes, the more messy, the better. Okay. Next thing is a Curly Wurly. Also made by Cadbury. Oh, the double decker is made by Cadbury as well. The Curly Wurly, it tastes okay, but it's extremely caramelly, so it gets stuck in your teeth really bad. So it's not my favorite just for that fact. Okay. Wham bar, or it's not even a bar. It's like an Airhead basically. It's got sour crystals in it. And it is super good. $10 recommend right here. I could have about 20 of these things. Okay. Next thing is a flake bar. It says it's commonly served with vanilla ice cream. I didn't like it the first time either. Oh, not good at all. No thank you. Okay. I would say last but not least, but this wasn't good at all. It's a sherbet. It's a licorice. It's got a licorice dip, I guess. But it was not good at all. Got all this white powder in it. I like the powder. The powder's good, but the licorice definitely no. No, thank you. So I think my favorite ones were probably definitely the Frazzles. I love the Frazzles. And then second is this Wham bar. I think my least favorite was probably between the sherbet and the flake bar, because both of those were disgusting. But overall, my first snack crate was a pretty good one. So if you're interested in trying out different candies from around the world, this was from the UK. And I actually have family in England, so that's pretty cool. But if you're interested in trying different snack size candies around the world, definitely check them out. This is my first one, but I'm definitely gonna get more. So yeah, that's about it. Y'all have a great day, and subscribe, because I know you're probably not already, but definitely subscribe. I'm gonna try to do more unboxing videos and challenges and things like that. So stay tuned, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!